Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. It's pet art time, and today I want you to know that nothing is impossible. So let's get started. To draw this cute popsicle, let's first start by drawing the outside shape. So I'm just going to come right here and we're just going to draw a very simple, general popsicle. So I'm just going to come up with a curve. So let's see here, it's much easier for you to see. I come up and draw this big dome-shaped curve at the top and come right back down. There. So it's just very general, and then we're just going to bring this down. So hopefully this inspires you and you can draw whatever kind of popsicle you love. And bring this down. And then about right here, I'm just going to start to round it off a little bit. And same thing here, and just go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a straighter line all the way across. What's important is the message, right? That nothing is impossible. Okay, so then now we have the body of our popsicle. Let's come down here in the center. We're going to draw the stick. So about here and here, I'm just going to draw this short, fat stick. So maybe just like a slight angle, very slight. And bring down these two lines, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve at the bottom. And of course, I'll add a heart right here in the center because it's my Draw So Cute popsicle, right? Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So about in this area, a little bit higher than the center, I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw the other eye. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back in here and draw two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. The second circle is always harder, right? Because you have to match the first one you drew. Okay, and lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So this eye seems to be a little bit not as wide as the other one. Easy fix, right? Just add a little bit more to it and shade it all in. And lines at the bottom. And so now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye and I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a very happy smile. So let's come about right here and I'm going to slightly go upwards a little bit and then cap it off. And then let's open this up. So with a U, a slant. And then right here, I'm just going to add a curve. There. I'll just come in here and shade this all in so you can see a little bit better for a mouth. And then from there, let's break it up into different flavors, of course. So I'm going to come about right here at the top and I'll just drag a point across so it's easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. Drawing these curves also helps to give your popsicle some dimension so it's not flat. So let's come down about right here, same thing. There. From there, let's go ahead and add some hands. And so let's say about right here, give myself a point and drag it across to about right here. And we're going to draw these hands that go up. So I'm going to come about right here, draw a curve coming into the popsicle, and I'll thicken it up. And then let's draw the hand. So it's just a very simplified, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little thumb and then fingers. I'll just shade it all in. And so same thing over here. go up with a curve, little thumb and fingers. And of course, once again, thicken it up. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's write the pun, which is nothing is in popsicle. So I'm gonna try to do that right over our popsicle. And so if it's easier for you, definitely draw a big curve right over and then write the words on using that as your template. But I'm just gonna wing this because I've already written it several times, and I'm just gonna kind of follow the curve of my popsicle. So I'm going to start about right here on this area. And I'm just gonna go for it here. So bear with me as I start off, and I'll go back into spruce it up. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm not going to talk very much. I'm just gonna try my best. I have to concentrate, right? So I'm just gonna try to make it go and turn my body as I need. Okay, nothing. So we're still trying to follow that curve, and then about right here is and ImPOPSICLE. So here we go on the, we're gonna make these all caps. And once you go back in to fix things, I mean to spruce it up, you can always fix whatever you need to fix. Okay, so here, P-O. I'm gonna try to end it all about right here, right over the hand. So like I said, if you're at home, definitely get a pencil, draw a big curve over this and use that as your template. I'm just being lazy here and I don't want to erase, so sorry. See what happens when you're lazy. Okay, so C. Getting there, right? Okay, L and E. So I still have a little bit of space. So L. So if you get caught and you're too lazy to go back in and fix everything by erasing, you can always just, if you have more space, just make your letters a little bit wider. If you have not enough space, just make them thinner. So, okay, not too bad, right? Not too bad for freehanding it. So now that we have nothing is in Popsicle, I'm gonna come in here and spruce everything up. So I'll just, every letter right here, like all the down strokes, I'll just make it thicker. I just wrote a very simple font. So by doing this, just kind of spruce it up a little bit. So just like all the legs right here. So like say the G right here is a little bit low, you can always just come back in here and make it taller. And then the I. So just take a look. You need to make some letters a little bit wider, taller. So like right here I have more space. I can just come in here on this way and make it thicker going this way, right? So just a little easy ways to cheat. And Popsicle. And thank you, cuties, for always loving the pun art that I do for you. I really hope they inspire you. And okay, so now the S. And E. So I think I'm a little bit short here, so just have to come in here and make these a little bit taller. Right? Okay, and that is, let's make this end a little bit beefier. Okay, so that is it. Nothing is in Popsicle, right? We did it. Yay. It's a little bit off right here, but that's okay. As long as we have it all on kind of over this Popsicle and we know that nothing is in Popsicle, that's what matters. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today and you found this fun and easy, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.